To teach Bixby to recognize and respond to your voice on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap Bixby. Next, tap voice wake up. And then tap the gray on off switch next to respond to my voice. To get the best result, it will be better if your phone is not being connected to earphones or Bluetooth devices while recording. Next, tap start to start recording and then say the currently used wake up phrase for 5 times. Hi Bixby. Hi Bixby. Hi Bixby. Hi Bixby. Hi Bixby. Once done, tap done button to save your recording. By doing this, Bixby will learn to recognize your voice so that it can respond to your voice better. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.